Hmm?
I need to sit there.
You have to put seat belt because for safety. Yeah, especially if there's a turbulence.
I might fall.
You might hulog, yes. You might hulog. Yeah, that's
Not outside.
yes. That's why you need to put your seat belt on. Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
You're not scared?
No.
That's good because you're a big girl. Saan ka magmamanicurista? Kakalapag mo lang Pilipinas ha. What's that? What are you carrying?
Back with it.
No, we're in the Philippines now.
Why are you going to the airport?
Because we have to. Cause Singapore to Philippines is very far. Sila Papa Bear, tsaka si Brayden.
Let's.
What is Tagalog of cloud?
I don't know. Ulap. Kuya Bray, go to Kuya Bray. Sila. Ay, excited sila. May mga presents sila. Oh, kay Daddy. Kakauwi. Are you happy na? Cute. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa.
So many. Kakauwi lang namin and it's magsa-7 na at na-miss kong McDo. Di ako napag-chicken stop there. chicken stop. Kasi sobrang busy namin. Hindi na kami wing stop.
Yeah, we didn't have that. I like that one.
Yeah, we forgot and we're busy.
I know. Smash.
As in, every day we have
How did you get more?
so many things.
Babe, you don't stop.
I don't stop.
Mommy, can you open?
I don't stop.
Mommy, can you open?
Yes.
What's Daddy doing?
Daddy's exhausted.
Making a baby.
Daddy's gonna have a holiday now.
Daddy need a holiday from the holiday.
Fucking hell.
Can you open? Can you open?
Regla pa naman ako.
This is my holiday.
What happened? Come here. What happened, baby?
My tooth hurts.
What happened? You bump it?
No,
No, I told you. Look where you're going.
I'm gonna hurt.
It's alright. Part of growing up. At syempre, na-miss natin ang McDonald's. So ngayon, manonood ako ng House of the Dragon kasi hindi ko napanood to and maganda siya. Isang episode na lang.